सो दिस इज़ द पेंट शॉप जहाँ पे मुझे ऑलरेडी एक और इंटरेस्टिंग कार दिखी। ओह, 7 सीरीज बैंगल टाइम, V12। I saw the badge. Look at this. हेलो एंड वेलकम टू बीच आओ। आज मैं बैंगलोर में हूँ एंड बैंगलोर में मैं एक ऐसी वर्कशॉप पे हूँ जिसको आप बोल सकते हो बाय माइल्स इट इज़ वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट वर्कशॉप्स ओवर हियर इन बैंगलोर। एंड सिर्फ इतना ही नहीं कि इट्स वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट वर्कशॉप्स, वैसे तो और भी रहेंगी, बट द काइंड ऑफ वर्क दे डू ओवर हियर एंड द कार्स दैट यू फाइंड ओवर हियर आर इनक्रेडिबल। I am of course at CarMed and Code 6 Bangalore. Code 6 basically are one of those first people जिन्होंने इंडिया में ट्यूनिंग इंट्रोड्यूस करी एंड आज के दिन में ये लोग वन ऑफ द मोस्ट एडवांस्ड गाइज आप बोल सकते हो, वन ऑफ दोज गाइज जो काफ़ी आगे हैं इन टर्म्स ऑफ द अमाउंट ऑफ ट्यून्स दे प्रोवाइड, इन द अमाउंट ऑफ कार्स दे कैन कवर। मतलब अगर आपने मेरे चैनल पे देखा होगा तो कार्स लाइक दी टाटा ऑल्ट्रोस, टाटा हैरियर, ये सब कार्स की ट्यून्स भी इनके पास है। ऑफ कोर्स वैग कार्स की लाइक स्कोडास, फोक्सवैगन्स, उनकी ट्यून्स तो हैं ही। सो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू टुडे is quickly take you on a tour of Code 6 / CarMed Bangalore, show you some interesting cars that they are working on over here and I hope you enjoy this tour. पहली चीज तो यार इन लोगों के पास ना पार्किंग इतनी बड़ी है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस इज सच ए मैसिव एरिया, लाइक मैं इसके लिए बोलता हूँ बिकॉज ये वर्कशॉप का ना फुटप्रिंट इतना बड़ा है कि यहाँ पे आपको हर चीज़ मिल जाएगी। यहाँ पे एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम डिटेलिंग ऑफ कोर्स टू ट्यूनिंग टू प्रॉपर स्टेज 1 से लेके स्टेज 3 तक मॉड्स सारे यहाँ पे हो सकते हैं। एट द सेम टाइम देव गॉट देयर ओन पेंट बूथ, देव गॉट सर्विस, देव गॉट रिपेयर, they have literally everything under one roof, and the reason behind that is not a small roof, it is a massive place. The kind of cars you have over here na, in general the kind of cars you will find in these guys ka parking lot is something else only. Like look at this wide body A class, I think this is the A45 AMG, looks like the AMG for sure. It's got AMG seats inside, lowered with a massive body kit. I know this car. So there is this old friend and somebody who does some really cool work, Motormind Automotive. So I think ये जो है ना, ये शाहिद Motormind Automotive उनका गाड़ी है। Motormind Automotive is another very interesting person based in Bangalore. They do some really creative stuff. If you see on my Instagram page, I have covered an S class which they have done. They are basically into customization. Not so much into performance customization but aesthetics. This is a really interesting car. Of course यहाँ पे आई हुई है, मतलब ये गाड़ी के साथ कुछ काम planned होगा, अभी तक apparently काम चालू नहीं हुआ, but look at the size of those wheels man, look at the size of wheels and tires. Let's see what are these guys running. This is a Michelin, of course, PS4S, and the section is a 255/35 R19, massive ass wheels. That's the reason why it's got such an extended body on top. Then over here we have a VRS, Mark 1 VRS, lovely car in a pretty decent looking shape. Oh, and over here we got a pretty souped up Polo GTI. These cars are all over here in for some kind of mod, some kind of tune, कुछ ना कुछ काम के लिए तो सारी गाड़ियाँ आती हैं। This car looks like it's already got a lot of work done. It's got a nice diffuser at the back. Front is pretty much stock. It's got a carbon fiber hood, and being a GTI, it almost 170-180 horsepower by factory. If it is a stage 2 car, then this would be about 250. अगर stage 3 है तो then पहले तो limitless है, but 300 plus तो for sure होगी ये। Old 7 series which is hopefully waiting for parts and hopefully will get resurrected. Let's see if it has any badging to find out कौन सा engine है इसमें। Look at this.
Yeah boy.
750 Li. That's a 5-liter V8 which we have over here. Fingers crossed that this car gets its work done soon and it's back out on the road. It is a nice car. चलो एक काम करते हैं अभी, लेट्स गो टू दी मेन फ्लोर एंड सी वहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है. तो दिस इज लाइक काइंड ऑफ दी पार्किंग फॉर कार्स, जहाँ पे कार्स आई हुई हैं अंदर, बट अभी तक इनका काम चालू हुआ नहीं. आइदर दे आर वेटिंग फॉर पार्ट्स और दे आर वेटिंग फॉर द कस्टमर टू गिव फर्दर ऑर्डर्स व्हाट टू डू. देन ओवर हियर इनसाइड is their detailing studio. I don't know if it is open. The bike here, lot of echo, but ये जो है इनका detailing studio है. And अब मैं आपको जहाँ पे लेके जा रहा हूँ, this is their main workshop floor, where today we have a lot of interesting cars like this 525i E60 over here. Then there's this funky Altroz 1.2 petrol है, funky looking Altroz which is over here. इसने स्टिकर वर्क तो काफ़ी किया हुआ है. दिस इज अगेन स्टेज 1 कार एंड स्टेज 1 के हिसाब से देयर इज अ टन ऑफ स्टफ दैट ही इज डन ऑन द कार. देयर इज ब्राइड का सीट्स, ही इज गॉट अ Lamborghini Sian kept on the dashboard as well. Self-made white wall tires, huge ass splitter, huge splitter at the front. That's a massive splitter, bapre. Let's have a look. It's a massive splitter. This is one of the owner's friend जिसकी गाड़ी आई भी है सर्विसिंग के लिए. Lovely car, as I said, Fiat's one of the best handling cars, one of the best steering feedback from any car, any especially European car. Fiats have one of the best steering feedbacks. Apart from that, आज Audi day लग रहा है यहाँ पे, because you have one A6, you have a Q5, you have one more Q5, and over there there's one more Q5, एक Scorpio है बीच में, and यहाँ पे look at this. This is another yummy looking car. The first generation X5 is getting worked over here, serviced, and I think it's come in for a ब्रेक रिप्लेसमेंट. पुरानी हो गई होगी गाड़ी, काफ़ी चली हुई होगी. इट्स ऑफ कोर्स अ डिसेंटली ओल्ड कार. आई डोंट नो व्हाई, बट फॉर सम रीज़न ना ये जनरेशन की X5 का जो शेप है ना, आई लव इट. इट जस्ट काइंड ऑफ इज़ अ वेरी गुड मिक्स बिटवीन a boxy shape while SUV and a slightly curved shape. What do you think? What are your thoughts on this generation का X5? Let me know down in the comment section. और ये भी ना इंटरेस्टिंग की कार है, 4.4 लीटर. So that GTI outside is currently not running a tune actually, but it's coming for some work and maybe they might run a tune on it. अभी तक तो नहीं है. So that's a stock car, which means it's about 180-190 horsepower factory. Yeah, look at this by the way. Sexy looking wheels, man. Wow. I somehow love this color combination. The wheels, the color combination, gorgeous looking. So yeah, this is CarMate Plus ka workshop. This is their workshop floor where you have some interesting projects going on. Last time मैं जब यहाँ पे था ना, they had a couple of more projects going on, some of more interesting stuff which was going on, and I think उसमें से एक interesting car अभी भी है जिसके ऊपर ये लोग काम कर रहे हैं. I will go. This is like about 50% of their entire area. There's still a lot more, and मैं आपको वो दिखाने जा रहा हूँ अभी. This car is come from Pune. This is a stage 3 car. इसके ऊपर they are going to start work very soon. Then over here, nice. Love those black wheels and the exhaust sound. E220 W124. Look at the condition of the car, man. It looks lowered as well a little bit, with some nice monoglock AMG wheels. Look at those. Wow, beautiful looking monoblock AMG wheels. Wow. Nice. चलो, let me take you to another section. ये तो उनका मेन वर्कशॉप फ्लोर हो गया, वेटिंग एरिया हो गया, where the cars have been parked, and now this is where all the tuning work happens. as you can probably already make out from the amount of exhausts that are over here. ये लोग वैसे, by the way, these guys make their own exhaust systems in-house. This car is getting worked on pretty much. पूरी खुली हुई है, स्टीयरिंग वीयरिंग सब खुला हुआ है. इसका कुछ मेजर काम चल रहा है आई गेस स्टीयरिंग का. And here is some of the beauties, some of the hidden beauties of Port 6 Bangalore. Owner की cars हैं, these are all Sargent's cars. Not all of them, a few of them, out of which this of course is not just my favorite but a lot of people's favorite, and I'm sure it's going to be your favorite as well. So ये कार का ना एक चीज़ दूसरी है कि हर बार जब ये मैं गाड़ी देखता हूँ ना, इसका कलर अलग ही रहता है. अर्लियर आई थिंक इट वाज ब्लैक, फिर लास्ट टाइम जब मैं आया था उस टाइम ग्रे थी, एंड अब ये गाड़ी वाइट हो गई है. एंड दिस कार is a fully built, this Evo 10 is a fully built engine, forged internals, the works, सब कुछ है. And again, like most of the things, Code 6 का अगर आपको थोड़ा बहुत background पता हो तो Code 6 generally doesn't go all full blown when it comes to tuning. तो अगर what I mean to say is कि अगर कोई कार या कोई इंजन का let's say 800 या 900 हॉर्स पावर की पोटेंशियल है ट्यूनिंग के लिए, they will do a slightly conservative tune, which means they'll probably tune it to about 600-650 bhp, and that is exactly how this car is also tuned. This car is producing about 650 horsepower at the wheel. It can be pushed even more, but 650 horsepower currently it's putting out at the wheel. This, trust me, is a mad fast car. Then this is again the owner's car. This is a M5 LCI, and of course not a stock car, this is a stage 1 car, a mild conservative tune. Then over here we have a VRS. This VRS I have already covered on my Instagram page. This is a stage 3 VRS which is putting out close to about I think 350 or 360 horsepower. Look at those wheels. Love the wheels, love the wheels. This is of course a mad car. So yeah, this is the tuning shop. आप जो उधर देख रहे थे, that is their main workshop floor, जहाँ पे service and the rest of the restorations वगैरह वगैरह होते हैं. This is the tuning bay. यहाँ पे mostly exhaust work होता है, tunes होते हैं यहाँ पे run, and lot of other things. And then there is another bay on the side जहाँ पे paint होता है and जहाँ पे further tuning and testing होती है, which we'll go to now. So this is the paint shop जहाँ पे मुझे already एक और interesting car दिखी. 7 Series, Bangle time. Oh, V12. I saw the badge. Look at this. Oh, yes. Yes. मतलब यहाँ पे कार सारी ऐसी है ना कि you keep your fingers crossed and you wish कि ये सारी cars जल्दी से जल्दी हो जाए, जल्दी से जल्दी इनका restoration हो जाए, so that you can see them back on the road in their original glory. 760 Li, this is going to be a mad beast. It's going to sound mad, it's going to be running mad. Oh, and by the way, it has Alpina rims. This is going to be a mad build. I would love to see this car come back to life. Look at the size of those wheels, man. Wow. What are these? 285/30 ZR20. 20-inch rims with a 30 section tire. पूना में तो ये कभी ना चले भाई. दिल्ली, बैंगलोर ये सब जगहों पे चल सकती है. पूना में तो within 10 kilometers टायर वॉल, साइड वॉल विल बी लाइक टाटा बाय बाय, हमसे ना हो पाएगा. एंड दिस इज द कार जो लास्ट टाइम जिसके ऊपर काम हो रहा था ना, दिस इज दैट कार. सो दिस इज बेसिकली एन E90 M3 विच मीन्स इट्स गॉट ए मैड 4-liter V8. लास्ट टाइम जब मैं आया था यहाँ पे तब इस कार के सस्पेंशंस का काम चल रहा था. द कार वॉज इन दैट मेन वर्कशॉप, सस्पेंशंस वर गेटिंग वर्कड ऑन. एंड लॉट ऑफ पार्ट्स जो थे इसके ऑन द वे थे. इट वॉज सिटिंग ऑन डिफरेंट व्हील्स, आफ्टर मार्केट व्हील्स पे थे. अब आई थिंक दी ओनर इसके लिए ओरिजिनल व्हील्स उस टाइम पे ऑर्डर किए हुए थे. आई थिंक द ओरिजिनल व्हील्स हैव कम एंड दे लुक गॉर्जियस बाय द वे. दिस इज रनिंग ऑन 225, 45, 19 section tires. And yeah, this is another beautiful restoration project which I would love to see getting completed. I love that interior का color. What a beautiful looking interior. Those are the door cards जो उसमें जाएंगे. Look at the size of that steering, man. So nice, small, compact, hydraulic steering. This is gonna be so much amazing to drive. Limitless SJP. I envy you, bro. You have one of these. You have the convertible. I envy you even more. Anyways, so yeah. This is another project which is going to probably get completed in the next 2 to 3 months. Body work wise, mostly सब हो गया है. Everything is ready. So I guess time to get it fitted back, and maybe 1-2 महीने के अंदर this car would be done. It'll be back on the road. So yeah, that was a quick tour of CarMed Bangalore, Code 6 Bangalore. This place हमेशा है ना यहाँ पे इन लोगों के पास, they have always got something or the other which is cooking. Like for example, there's a 1 liter TSI over here, which is of course again tuned, which is just finished its work and it's heading out. तो यहाँ पे मैं अगले 2-3 हफ्ते तक होने वाला हूँ और यहाँ पे I'm going to find some really nice cars to cover. For example, this car is one of the cars which is on my list to cover. This is a stage 2 diesel Jazz. And ऐसी और भी cars होंगी जो मैं plan करने वाला हूँ. Let me know if you have in mind of any specific car that you would like to see. I am going to try bringing that to you. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you in the next one. Till then, ciao.